Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Roseanna. So in today's video, we're testing out some cream blushes that I just picked up, and actually one was gifted. So that is what we're going to be talking about today. But before we get into that video, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. You could ring the bell. It will give you notifications of when I post, which is every Tuesday and every Saturday between 1 and 2ish. So yeah, like, make comments, tell your friends, subscribe, help a newbie out. I would so appreciate your support, and thank you so much for helping me grow this channel. And now without further ado, let's get started. Okay, I'm like so excited. So first, let's start off with Merit Beauty. Look at this cute little bag right over here. They did gift me this blush that I have been dying to try. This is the Merit Flush Balm. Look how cute, so cute. I picked up the color in Raspberry Beret. I mean, is this friggin' adorable or what? So I just wanted to share some information about Merit Beauty. So you do get free shipping for any order over $40. For each first order, you get like a free Merit signature bag. Isn't that adorable? I'm so excited. So I just took off my blush and everything that I had on before. Just have foundation on and a little bit of cream contour. I wanted to keep everything, you know, creamy. Look how beautiful. Smells like nothing. So nice. I hate to mess it up. Oh, it is so creamy. Look how beautiful. Oh, isn't that so beautiful? I love Merit products. They are so nice. P.S. I do have an affiliate link below. I do get a little bit of commission if you want to use it. If you do, you do. If you don't, you don't. Fabulous either way. I'm scared. What should we do? Should we pat it in with our fingers? I'm going to just take this right over here with my finger. And we're going to just go right over here. Ooh, that is a beautiful color. Oh, wow, that is beautiful. Wow, that is so gorgeous. Okay, Mary. Okay, I just want to see how it looks with a brush. I'm just taking the BK Beauty 108, and I'm going to just take it like this on the brush. This is look at that, how beautiful. Wow. I'm so glad I picked this color. I'm not surprised, right? This is gorgeous. I'm gonna just take my sponge just to even out the edges. Ooh, that is so pretty. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh, I love it, love it. So, like I said, it is called Raspberry Beret. Oh, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. P.S. They also sent me one of their signature lips, but we'll do that in another video. Okay, so now on this side, I have the Pillow Talk Matte Beauty Blush Wand. So nice. Thank you. I'm so excited. It is in Pillow Talk, even though like it's a matte, you know, it's still liquidy-ish, right, going on. Wow, this is beautiful. This is what it looks like right over here. I'm so excited / nervous. So it comes, you know, her traditional little spongy sponge. You turn it to put it on. I know they're messy, so we're going to go very gingerly. Okay. Wow, that is beautiful. I am using the BK Beauty 109 brush. Ooh, that is gorgeous. Let me go in with my spongy sponge to go around it. That is beautiful, and I'm glad I paired it with the Merit. It almost looks like the same color, right? That is beautiful. I mean, you could tell that the Merit, you know, is very sheer. Can we build it up? Let's do it. Let's just try it. And Merit in general is a more minimalistic, sheer kind of product. And I'm going to go back with this brush. And you could tell that the Merit is way more glowy and natural, whereas the Charlotte Tilbury, I mean, it is matte, but you could still see like my foundation. By the way, I am using the Makeup by Mario. This is the Surreal Skin, so it has like a little bit of a glow in general. You could still see it though, but it looks beautiful. Wow, that looks so. Ooh, I'm so glad I put these two together. Honestly, like just like maybe right over here, you could see a little bit of the extra glow from the Merit. Oh, these are so beautiful. By the way, did I tell you that this was Pillow Talk? This is the color Pillow Talk. That is beautiful. What do you guys think? Oh, it's so nice. They're both beautiful. So beautiful. Okay, so my next two products are from the same company. It is from P.Louis. These are the Flirty Flush of Color liquid blushes. So let me just tell you, girl. I ordered this, thank you, Michaela, and I always see so many people using the P.Louis eye base, so I ordered that too. Girl, I ordered this December 19th. December. Now, by the time this goes up, it's probably the end of February. I think it was delivered February 18, 17, something like that. So it took 2 friggin' months. Back and forth with emails like, what the heck? And they're like, oh, you know, their mail is on strike. Who's on strike? The UK Customs. I gotta tell you, I was kind of annoyed, but let's see if they redeemed themselves. So I did pick up 2 colors. Oh, and P.S. after all that hemming and hawing about customs and stuff, you guys, I know everybody saw Michaela on TikTok last week, 2 weeks ago, about the conglomerate of the boxes that P.Louis sent them. So how come she got it and it took me months to get mine? I digress. Okay, so these are the 2 colors right here. Look how beautiful. Okay, fine. They are beautiful. If they work, I do not know. And this color is in Bon Bon Baby. So nice. We're going to put that right over here. So it's okay. How do you use this thing anyway? It comes with an enormous sponge. Do I just like squeeze it? Dang it. How the frig do you use this thing? Hold on. Okay, it does say to simply squeeze the tube gently to dispense the product. I'm scared. P.S. This is a smooth liquid blush formulated to add an intense rosy radiant hue. Developed with lightweight water-based formula. Blah, blah, blah. Okay, let's see. I'm scared. Okay, it's coming out over here. You see that? Okay, let's just try it just like this to see if anything comes out. Oh, okay. Okay, this is very pink. I don't even know if that was a lot. I have no idea. I'm going to just take my refer brush right over. Actually, you know what? Let's just tap it in with the fingers first. Oh, this is so freaking cute. Probably best for the summertime. I'm going to go in a little bit harder. And then I'm going to go in with my refer brush. Let's see. That's pretty. I don't know if it looks like, if it's picking up my foundation. I'm going to just tap it on my hand. Like that. You see that? And maybe take it with my sponge. Let's see. Let me just put a little bit more on. And I'm going to go in with my sponge. It's cute. It's cute. I feel like it's picking up my foundation. Could it be? Or maybe it's just because the color is so light. It is cute. I'm not sure. Let's go on to the next one. So this is the same concept, and this is in Gentle Ginger. So let me just show it to you. Can you see that? Let me go back a little bit. See how it, do you see that the colors, this one's like very bubblegum-ish. Let's try it. Maybe it's just the color. I hope so. Okay, so let's try this one on this side. This one's like more peachy, right? More peachy. But I'm gonna go in with my sponge on the other side. I'm gonna just take it on the other side. Okay, so, my light is on, by the way, on this. Maybe it's distorting it. Let me shut this off. I still feel like it's picking up my foundation. Okay, this color shows up a little bit better. really sure I like that. I does it look like it's picking up? Hold on here. Doesn't it look like it's picking up my foundation, like right here? I don't know. So let's just build this up a little bit. I'm gonna go on the clean side with that. And let's go back in with the other color on this side and build it up a little bit more. But look, it looks so damn cute like that. Not that we're gonna leave it. I'm gonna go in like the other side. I mean, I think if you tap very, very lightly, I mean, obviously you could tell the difference, but I'm still gonna stand by what I said. I think it's picking up my foundation. That sucks. But anyway, so these are the two colors. So this is the P.Louis in Bombay Baby. Let me just move my hair. And then this side is Gentle Ginger. I think these will be really cute for like the summertime and maybe for a no makeup look. I mean, that's so bizarre. It looks like it's picking up my foundation, but they are pretty. You have to build them up, in my opinion. But they are cute though. Cute. They're cute. Okay, so I did go back in just to even out my face. Girl, I can't go out with two different, well, I guess I could. But anyway, I did go back in and put on the Charlotte Tilbury Matte Beauty Blush Wand in Pillow Talk. I think this is probably one of my favorites. Although this and the Merit Beauty, they are very, very similar in color. But of course, the formula is different. Of course, the Merit is more glowy and natural and luminous, where this is a matte. But I think the colors are pretty close. But this is so beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. These are out for deliberation. I'm gonna have to try these a different way. I'm kind of disappointed. Of course, on top of like waiting forever for it to get in didn't help matters. But yeah, so this is it. This is my video on testing out some cream blushes. What do you guys think? Leave me some comments down below. Do you have any cream blushes that you are absolutely in love with? Let me know. So yeah, that's it, guys. This is my video. Thank you so much for sharing your time with me. And as always, you guys be good to each other, love each other, and have a great day. Bye.